Hello everybody, how are you today? We have Friday today, it's my gardening day. So I did a lot of job on the backyard and now I'm serving my front yard. I want to show you something. By calendar we have just last month of the spring. Last month would be November. So blossoming is just starting, but garden is already full of colors. Geranium, 2 different varieties of white roses just starting blossoming. Some yellow one and yellow irises. But main thing I want to show you is Carmen the rose, which is fragrant, and this is the best roses in my collection. I have 43 different varieties of roses, but that one is the best one. It's fragrant and aroma is just charming. And have a look at the size of that, at the flowers. Anytime my neighbors asking, what are you doing, Lucy? It's an unbelievable huge. It's how you achieve this. What is your secret fertilizer? And my answer is, it's my secret fertilizer is love, because I love to do it and I love that plant. Oh, look at that. And this shrub is blossoming up to the March. Have a look, it's October, November, December, January, February and March. 5 months of blossoming, of full blossoming. I did cut one already, just to show you, just to give you an idea about the size. This is my cicator. Come on. My main helper. It's big one. It is 30 centimeters long. Have a look. That's a flower. I will take it in my hand. My hands are too short to show it properly. Huge flower. Oh, it's so nice aroma. One more thing is irises, yellow one. It's the end of my roses line. In full blossoming. Very healthy and very happy, because today is cloudy day, no wind. I did watering, it looks like a kids, like a happy kids. To compare. Sit here. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye for now.